Welcome. This brief orientation is for principals, nurses, office staff, custodians, campus assistants, technology staff, substitutes, and other employees whose regular duties may bring them into a room or site where ELPAC testing is occurring or secure materials are present. You are not being trained to administer the ELPAC. You are learning how to recognize a secure situation, protect it, and report concerns immediately. Let's begin with why you may be asked to complete the acknowledgement even if you never administer a test. You may be included because your work requires you to enter classrooms, assist students, troubleshoot technology, clean rooms, deliver items, supervise staff, or respond to emergencies. Security includes more than printed test questions. A visible screen, student response, scratch paper, log-on information, or discussion of test content can also create an exposure. Your acknowledgement does not give you permission to administer a test, assist a student with answers, or examine secure content. The safest response begins with recognizing what must be protected. Treat anything that could disclose a live test question or a student's response as secure. That includes screens, paper materials, access information, and conversations about specific content. Do not take a picture for documentation, send it by email, place it in school mail, or describe the item to colleagues. If you are uncertain, stop and contact the site ELPAC testing coordinator or principal. Current ELPAC operational guidance requires secure test content and materials to be protected from unauthorized access and disclosure. Before entering a room, a few seconds of awareness can prevent an incident. Testing should never prevent an emergency response or necessary student support. In routine situations, check the testing sign and ask before entering. Keep personal devices put away. Avoid looking at screens or papers, and do not communicate about the test. If entry is necessary, complete only the needed task and exit quietly. In an emergency, respond immediately, then alert the test examiner or coordinator so they can determine whether any follow-up is required. If you unexpectedly find secure material, do not investigate yourself. Do not investigate, photograph, forward, or widely describe what you found. Protect the area from additional access and contact the test examiner, site ELPAC testing coordinator, or principal immediately. Unless leaving the item would expose it to others, avoid relocating it. Follow the coordinator's direction for secure handling. Under San Diego Unified School District procedure, secure assessment materials must not be sent through school mail or placed in regular trash or recycling. Taking a photograph to show the coordinator creates another copy of secured content and can make the incident more serious. Let's apply the response to common school situations. A nurse should never delay necessary care. A technician can address the device without reading or recording the item. A custodian or office employee should protect found materials and contact the coordinator rather than moving them into ordinary channels. Administrators and substitutes should limit their presence and defer to the trained test examiner. In every case, recognize the secure environment, protect what you encounter, and report promptly. The final step is documenting your acknowledgement for this school year. Open the Google form. Read each statement carefully and submit your acknowledgement for the 26-27 school year. Signing confirms that you understand your responsibility to protect secure test information. It does not provide TOMS access, authorize you to administer an assessment, or permit you to handle secure materials outside your assigned duties. If you have questions before signing, contact your site ELPAC testing coordinator or principal. thank you for your help protecting our students and the integrity of statewide testing.